don't get me. I'm on the federal witness protection program.
Oh yes, okay. Keep your face anonymous.
Yeah. Up. Make sure you're grabbing just by the rim, not by the cells. Okay. There's a little piece of glass. Just go up on that side. You see you're not in the groove?
Oh.
There.
Oh. I mean, shoot. That's what I meant to say.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, now we're there. So then the question is going to be, we're going to figure out how to divvy these up this way. We won't know till we get the other one.
Like how far down it wants to come, maybe?
Yeah, that's right.
Should we put that clamp thing on here?
I would like to do that. Let's grab another one. I'll hold this here. You're
another
pulling there.
Panel?
Another clamp.
Another clamp. The long one, this one we're using?
Well, let's leave that one long because we'll need it, and we'll get another one in here that's short.
Where is the? I don't know where.
Standing up right there. See all behind you. Look. Just grab any one of those. That's
okay.
fine. Good. And bring that over this way.
All right, we're good.
Okay, so you just want to get that, lay that on there, and turn it around so it's supported. There you go. Nice. Okay. Should be able to slide it. Oops, sorry, turn this around so it's up and down. There you go. Bingo. And you don't need it too tight at this point. That's fine.
That's fine.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Okay.
Not going anywhere.
Okay.
Good. So we should be able to slip in another one there.
On this side?
And if you want to, actually, you can, at this point, you can measure your total length of this, measure the length of the panel, and you can calculate what your gaps are going to be so that we can get it in the right place. Okay.
Well, I know